Guys, demo namin. Ito, brand new Fortuner. Ito, in-upgrade namin. Forged carbon. Yan o, guwapo. Forged carbon steering. Ganda. Ito yung top of the line namin na steering. This is forged. Yan ang original forge. Kita nyo? So, wait. Para ma-appreciate nyo sandali. Ganda ng combination, di ba? Buhay na buhay yung steering. Yan, no, strip siya. Yan yung same sa mga Lamborghini, sa mga Ferrari, forged carbon. So ito, imagine nyo, you're driving. This is our top of the line steering for Innova, Fortuner, Hilux. This is original. Hindi siya print, hindi siya sticker. That's forged carbon fiber. Kasama tong switches. Forged carbon, kita nyo, lahat forged carbon. So ito yung pinaka-rare namin na steering, forged carbon steering, napakagwapo. Then yun, nilagyan namin siya ng projector, 3 colors. Fog light, white color, patayin ko. Yellow. Yan yung all weather. So ito yung 3 colors namin na projector, ganda, 'di ba? So plug and play, available yan, 3 colors, dumating na rin. Ito yung pinakamalupit, forged carbon. So 10,000 reservation, send us a message. This is not for budget meal. Ito, ang ganda oh. So this is rare, forged original carbon. So send us a message, we'll book your schedule, package namin, kasama ng installation, alignment and everything, kami nang bahala. So, thank you.